Welcome in the second part video tutorial. Here we create first of all when we click on the button, then a text box add uh, dynamically. So get the button by using sender, because in the above code when we click on the button, that is the ID of the button, that is add button, then generate event handler, that is click to add text boxes. In the sender part we have a button, so button class get the ID from the sender. So if button dot ID equals to check add button, that is copy and paste it here. Yeah, if button is properly matched, then use count variable, find how many times the button is clicked. So by using the method we can handle this task. So find control count. In the find control count we have a single parameter, that is text box, or you can say dynamic text. Okay, that's fine. Add a text box, text equals to new text box. Okay, that's fine. Text of the text, assign the text box ID and the text. If you want to assign the text, then simply use default text to assign in the text box, otherwise you leave it. Text dot ID, that is dynamic text. When we click on the button, then dynamic text plus minus automatically assign the ID one by one. Dynamic text minus is the symbol to concat with the count plus 1. The count is the occurrence, how many times the control is clicked. So panel for text boxes dot controls dot add. In the panel we can add the text boxes by using the ID by using the instance name of the text box. So use literal control here, through which we can use for line break dot text line break. Yeah, panel for text boxes dot controls dot add literal. Here we add the literal control by using the text. When we click on the button, and first the text box is add, then again literal control add with the text, that is line break. So the cursor assign in the next line. How many times the find control count? So string str request dot form dot to string, how many times the form is generated, then getting the value in the string. Return str dot length string dot length minus str dot replace. Oops, what is the value of the string? That is find from the find occurrence method, that is p. It's not, that is p. and assign the null value dot length. It return the also divide with the p dot length. Okay, that's fine. Okay, control create. When the first time the page is load, when we click on the button the page is post back. On that time control create is raised with the two parameter, that is dynamic text and text box, and dynamic text is assigned with the p1 and the text box assigned in the p2. So that check how many controls is added in the panel control. So add a array of the controls, string types array, request.form.toString.split and sign. Okay, integer count, find control count, how many controls are added in the form, that is assigned in the p1. Okay, check if count is greater than 0, then you can add another text box in the panel control. So first of all add a literal control, use the for loop k equals to 0 and k is equal to and less than is count. Also use the another for loop for how many controls are added in the form. So use controls length. So change it controls dot length. If controls of I dot contains p2 p1, that is dynamic text, minus k dot toString. String control name and the control value is the two property of the controls. Control name get from the controls of I dot split equal to sign of 0. String control value with the 1 index. Okay, that's fine. Now again use if to check the count value, controls value, control value equals to server dot decode URL decode what value will be decoded, that is control value, p2 is double equals to text box, then add text boxes in the panel. So to watch the output, to see the output in the browser, uh, here you can check when we click on the button, the add text boxes one by one. Just after that, added previously text boxes. So thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. Please keep watching my all ASP.NET video tutorials. So thank you very much. Please see the output in the browser. Thank you very much.